Good morning! Todo ko lang ka-vlog. Funny kayo kay nag-layover ko sa Stansted the other week. And I thought one day layover na siya. And then it turned out nga 2 days day siya. So lagi din nun ko ka-vlog. Wala ko kadalag camera, wala ko kadalag laptop. Karon, I'm preparing for my flight. Normally, I prepare like 2 hours before ko maghawa. Kay I need to take a bath and then put on my makeup, then akong hair. Dugay kaya usay ang buhok sa mo kay dugay kay sa tanan ang buhok usay ayuhon. Before departure, kanang flight time departure bitaw gyud. Dapat naa mi dira sa office 2 hours before ana. So in total, I have to be prepared for at least 3 hours. Oh, mga anam, 3 hours before sa call time. Kaya 2 hours ko mag-prepare din. Kagana ko allowance per minti 1 hour to go to the office. Kay i-anticipate na ko per minti ang traffic. Kay just in case na traffic, at least makover na siya sa kuan sa oras. Normally, kuan naman, 25 minutes or even less gani pag kuan walay traffic. Pero usahay, I rather go there earlier. So, mo na siya. So, now, I'm moisturizing myself. Kay, it's very important to moisturize your skin. Labi ng kuan, galupad. Labi na sa amoa. We're always in the aircraft most of the time. So, kailangan you'd moisturize yung skin. Kung kamusad, if you're traveling, make sure nga magdala mo ka ng mga skin moisturizer or even those kanang spray bitaw to hydrate your skin. That's really helpful already. Yeah, mo na kung problema ang pagka-dry sa akong skin. So, that's it. I'm using a lot actually. Just to kuan. Ang kaning kuan, aloe vera. Uso naman yung aloe vera karon. Ganun yung butag aloe vera sa akong dagway. It's very helpful. I'm gonna start my makeup now. Do this one. I'm not doing a makeup tutorial, okay? I'm not really good in like putting makeup. I can only do my makeup for myself, but for other people, I don't know. It's not my cup of tea, but so I'm gonna highlight my under eye kay ang akong eye bags, it has gone really bad all these years. Walay tulugay permanente. But that's easy to cover up. That's not a problem. We spend so much when it comes to makeup. Okay, imagine every day you put on, not every day, but every time you go to work, you have to put on makeup. And it's a must for us. We have like standards to follow before the flight. And we have this grooming officer, we call them. Magulat na sila dira sa among kuan, sa among departure area para mag-check sa mo I know, it's so funny. Ay lang buhaton. And then, for some reason, ay ubang tao makalusot. But we're supposed to put makeup, foundations, it's a must. Pero na uban nga dili mauban makalusot. Lucky for those people who have really good skin. Anang mga kuan, mga Korean, ay kina sila. Okay. Glowing na magud ilang skin ana. Although gi-require gyapon sa company nga magbuta. But you know, it's very uncomfortable to have makeup all the time, and you just feel like your skin couldn't breathe. Yeah, that should be enough. So, okay. And then I'm gonna put some highlighter para glowing kunyari imong skin. I got this from TJ Maxx. Elf Ganahan ko sa color na nalabyan lang na ako. Nalabyan lang na ako siya. There's only 2 colors na peach and then na din ka ng of champagne nga highlighter. Ganahan ko kay labi lang dira para sa kong under eye. And then kanina yung peach. You can use it here in your cheeks. Okay, there you go. Garush ko gamay because apparently I think I woke up a little late. So I only have like 1 hour and a half to prepare. I'm trying to manage my time. Normally I can do it. Then here's akong kilay. My kilay. Alright. So I'm gonna do my kilay now. Dre ko ma-stuck usahay sa kilay. Okay, mahiwi siya and sometimes like I think my eyebrows are not the same. They're not properly trimmed. I got this eyebrows from Maybelline. Recently man lang yata nila release or this year I think. Kuan siya kanang tattoo eyebrow. So even if you washed it, magkuan pagyapon siya. Kanang stick pagyapon siya sa imong kuan kilay. But I think it's really appropriate to put on makeup, labi na sa amo like you're serving food and you're always facing the customers, so kuan siya, limpyo siya tanawon ba? So it actually helps. Okay. Pwede ka daog-daogon sa mga customer. Char. Good makita nila imong kilay on the flick. Mas naglahi ready ni siya. Is that even, everyone? That's right. It's even, right? There you go! Atong ilong. Contour lang katapat. Ano? Lanta na ako na. Nagasyahan og ilong. Bridge. A bridge. Nakoy kondiryo scar. I used to have a mole in there. Gipatangtang na ako kay buhi manggod siya. And apparently, koan, nag-scar siya. And but it's okay because I don't know, basin by now dako na sa gito ako mole. Nagkuan na siya, nagtubo na siya. Pero mo lang ng disadvantage if you have your mole removed, labi ng mga protruding moles. Kay mag-scar siya. Prone kay ko sa moles. Freckles and moles. Paano naman sabihin naman sa dugo na namo. My mom has a lot of freckles. My papa has a lot of freckles. My aunt has a lot of freckles. So I'm expected to have them as well. Maskin sa akong mata. Do you see this brown spot in here? Initially, I was really scared. Abi na ako unsa na nang gatubo dira. But then, I have it checked from the ophthalmologist. And it's actually a freckles. It's an eye freckle. So it's not cancerous. It's benign. So it's not gonna hinder my vision. So nana na sa kuha. If I wanna have it removed, dili siya for medical reason, but it's actually more on cosmetics na. Kaplano ko ipatanggal na siya kay kuan lang. Maybe soon I'll have it removed. For now, dili pa siya pwede kay gatay kog kuan blood thinner, which means I'm prone to bleeding. So if I'll have it removed, hadlo kayong bleeding. So I'm gonna just leave it as it is for the meantime while I'm on medication. Then eventually I'll have it removed. I like to put eyeliner on my eyes. It just makes your eyes pop out. Dili bitaw siya kapoy tan-awon. I'm gonna clear that a little bit. It takes a lot of effort to do these things. Sa hinap ko'y buhok. My hair, it's not finished. Asay, lamin na kayo magpaputulog buhok. I just wanna cut my hair. Tigasamukan ako. It's really hard. It doesn't suit me apparently yung mabuo nga hair. And then, ang problema mo sa buhok pag mataas na siya, mama na dira, kinala ka mag-trim permanente. So I'm bored lang po for how many years I've been doing the donut bond. Then I'll have it removed, this one. So as you can see, I don't put a lot of makeup. Foundation lang. Mga gamay. And I'm done. Syempre, contour ka dira, and then you put a little bit of shimmering stuff in here para ma-emphasize ko nung yung ilong. Yes, that's it. That's it! And ta-da! Last but not the least, my blush on. I like this blush on. One benefit. Kaya ba pang teenager kayo effect feeling teenager. So that's it. Now I'm gonna fix my hair. Dali! Pagdali! Shibilita! So, dili ko kakadugay perminti sa akong buhok. So today I'm flying to Stansted, London Stansted. Gikan ako dito. Gikan lang ko recently. It's the same flight I did before this. But then, wala gitulak ko ka-vlog kay. Pero okay, nasad mo masag ko ni gawas kay na-hurricane sa Ireland. But then some part of United Kingdom, some part of London was actually affected. So, ulan kaayo. Bara sa kung nagawas. It's gonna take me 7 hours and 30 minutes to get there from here. Duol ra man diri ang mga kuan. Duol ra ang mga European destination. Ang Dubai is maran siyang hub sa mga European destination. It's gonna take you maximum of 8 hours. Pag winter lang kay, but summer na puro kay mga flight 6, 7, mga na. Pag winter na mga changes of the wind, so mas dugay ang biyahe. Gigamit ra ko kuan kaning keratin, and sometimes kanang oil ko, argan oil. I don't use spray net on my hair kay makalabad sa ulo. Diba na may smell ang spray net nga eventually malabdan kag ulo. So I avoid that one. May paningkuan keratin, or argan oil. Kay kuan. Makatabang pa siya sa buhok. It's gonna renew your hair. Ma-alive siya. I used to color my hair before. I used to color my hair a lot. Namatay na gininon siya gayo. So, karon, wala na, gatambalan na lang na ako siya. Check this out. It's really good. Brazilian Keratin Reconstructor Hair Serum. It's 100% effective. So far, ayo-ayuhan ang buhok. This is what I normally put all the time. Like after shower. Put lang ko kuan rose water. Para way magtindog-tindog dira. And that's it. I'm gonna use this donut. Put it in my hair. And then roll it like that. Put this one inside. Then you need a hairpin. And that's it. So that's it. I'm done. That's the clean look I always wanted to achieve. Then I'm gonna put my lipstick later on once I'm ready to go. For now, I'm just gonna put my earrings. I'm gonna change now. Okay, ready na ako. I'm just gonna change now into my uniform and that's it. I'm ready to go. I'm all set. Man ako, nakailis na ko. And then, I'm gonna use my, put on my watch use. I'm gonna put on my watch. Watch is very important for us. Grabe. It's part of our grooming check. Kinahanglan yun ka magsulot o kuan watch per minute. I'm going. Just have to moisturize my lips. Burt's Bees. Amazing kining moisturizer. And then, I'll use some lip liner. Gagamit ko moisturizer because I'm using Sephora lip tint nga lipstick. It stays forever sa imong lips unless kung magkaon siguro kag oil. Kung ganahan ani, ibutang na ko siya karon until landing, mao ra gyapon yung lipstick. Di siya basta-basta matanggal. Even if I drink water. Ang problema lang, it's so dry. It's gonna turn matte. And it's really dry. I normally use 01. Kaniki, number 18, manin nasayop po. Number 18 siya. And, it's a little bit lighter. So, ako lang siyang gadublihan og MAC na A29 Ruby Wood. Kuan mo kani, di ba? Ito ka nagagamit ani. I think you all know this one. So that's it. I'm all done. I'm just gonna put my jacket and I'm going. By the way, before ko mag-blackout, pakita na ko sa inyo, tsada na kayang weather sa Dubai. It's the perfect time to come kung gusto mag-visit for holiday, tourist visit, siya na kayo because you can visit the beaches and mga resorts, dagan resorts diri sa Dubai. And perfect na kayo makalakaw-lakaw na ka. It's amazing. It's really amazing in Dubai when it's winter. Daghan kayo mga amusement park, daghan kayo kapwede laagan, but during summer, it's horrible. Kay, of course, daghan magud siya mga outdoor facilities, but you wouldn't be able to enjoy it because of weather. But I'm glad at least half of the year we have this kind of weather to enjoy Dubai. Alright, so that's it. Maglakaw na ko. I'll see you in London Stansted. Gusto lang ako ipakita sa inyo ang weather karon kay Tree na kaayo. Cause it's winter. Among winter diri para sa uban kay. Para sa mga taga UK or European, it's actually summer for them. Kay minimum of 14 siguro mayana lang siguro among kwandere. And windy per digig siya ingon nga freezing cold. So ano siya, I'm gonna show you. It's not that hot anymore. This is my place. We're close by the highway. Narao, amazing! 33. See? We used to have around above 40. So when it's below 40, that's really amazing. Yahoo! So I'm excited to come back. So it's the time of the year nga kuan, you just wanna be in Dubai and kuan, you don't wanna fly because majority of the places, ang ako magud ka sa gara, but I don't know for some reason akong schedule when it's winter, dito sa ko kakalabay sa mga European destination which is freezing, which is really cold. So, ganahan ko magstay sa Dubai na nga time kay chill lang kay ang weather, sunny, but yeah, sunny and breezy. So, it's really good. So now, I'm going na. Sige lang ko storya sa inyo. Lakaw na ako. Bye-bye.